Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Yasmin and my student number is 2023-32081. In this project, I create a simple 2D game using Unity where a bird character can collect coins and it's followed by the camera. The goal is to increase the number of coins when the bird touches them and reduce the bird's health when it touches an enemy. In this explanation, I will walk you through how I did this feature and how the code works behind the scene. To begin with, I create the coin enemy game objects in the Unity editor. I made sure each of them had a Collider 2D component and check the is trigger option. This is important so they can interact with the player without physically pushing it. Then I added a tag player to my bird object so it could be easily identified by other script. Next, I wrote a script for the coin using the function on trigger enter 2D collider. To detect when the player touches the coin inside that function, I check if the object that entered the trigger has the tag player. If true, I increase the coin variable, which is stored in the player script called burungku, and destroy the coin using destroy game object. This way, the coin disappears and the player gets a point. And for the enemy, I did something similar. I create a new script and also use on trigger 2D. Trigger 2D, if the object touching the enemy is the player, the health called nyawa in my code is reduced by 1. When the health reaches 0, the bird stops moving, which simulates a game over condition. And as for the camera, I create a camera follow script and attach it to the main camera. In this script, I use the update function to constantly follow the player position by updating the camera position every frame. I use vector 3 because Unity uses 3 axes, X, Y, Z, even in 2D games. I also added an offset value so the camera doesn't follow the player too closely but stay at a comfortable distance. In conclusion, by using simple trigger-based script in Unity, I was able to make interactive 2D game where the player can collect coins and be followed smoothly by the camera. The on-trigger 2D function helped me handle object interaction like collecting or taking damage, while Vector 3 allowed the camera to follow the player naturally. These are essential techniques in 2D game development and will be very useful for building more complex games in the future. Thank you!